everyone, myself Bindu Jayadev. Welcome back to my channel Math Studio.
We are continuing the topic time series. Last video we learned estimation of trend using moving average method. In this video we will discuss 4 yearly and 5 yearly moving averages and its graphical representation. Please subscribe the channel if you are watching first time and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos from the lecture series. You are suggested to watch lecture 1 of the time series for the better understanding of the basic concept of time series and moving averages method, that is for 3 yearly moving average. I will give the link in the description below. Please like and share the video. Let's start our topic. Today we are discussing the method of measuring trends, that is with 5 yearly moving averages and 4 yearly moving averages. First, we will see 5 yearly moving averages. Last video, I have discussed with you 3 yearly moving averages. That means for an odd year, 3 yearly and 5 yearly, the steps for calculating moving averages are the same. Because this is an odd year, we are using that cycle. Normally for the moving averages, it is beneficial for the business cycle for calculating or finding the trend. Now see here, the step, instead of step I'll explain, I will show you how you are going to calculate 5 yearly moving averages through an example. For an example, I have taken an example here. Example 1. Calculate 5 yearly moving averages of the following data. Now here they ask you to calculate 5 yearly moving average of the following data. That means you need to use the table and complete the calculation. In case if they are going to give you also plot moving averages in a graph, then you need to draw the graph also. Therefore, depends upon the question you going to decide it. Now see here the first part, how do you going to calculate the moving averages by 5 yearly moving average method. Now see here, the data is given from 1997 to 2006. That is the sales in lakhs, that is 51 lakhs, 53 lakhs, like that way it is given. Now 5 yearly moving average, the same way like 3 yearly moving average, we need to construct 4 columns. First 2 columns are the year and sales, that is in lakhs here. I have already copied that one, that is 1997 to 2006, and the sales corresponding to that particular year, that time series is given. Now what is your third column? That is 5 yearly total. In that last time when we discussed, that is 3 yearly total, because we were calculated 3 yearly moving average. Here it is 5 yearly total. Just make it a bigger column here. And last one, that is moving averages. Now see here, the same way like 3 yearly moving average, here 5 yearly, that means we are going to consider the 5 year circle, 1997 to 1998, 1999, 2000 and 2001. That means this is the first set. One second. From 1997 to 2001, that is the first set. Next set, 1998 to 2002. The same way we are going to club the 5 years in a cycle and we are going to calculate the moving average. Now see here, 1997 to 2001. Therefore, what is the middle year? Middle year, that is coming 1999. That means you are going to write the 5 year total direct to 1999, and in the first two line, that is in this column, it is going to be blank. In 3 years moving average, I have showed you in the starting one year it was blank and last year it was blank. The same way here, it is first 2 year it is going to be blank and last 2 year is also going to be blank. Therefore, first, if you are doing for 5 year moving average, first itself just make a point that first two lines, that is in the third column, it is going to be blank. Just draw a line, otherwise you are going to write, you have tendency to write here on the starting year, then it is going to be wrong. Now where we are going to start? We are going to start the set of first 5 years. The middle year we are going to start, that is 1999 we are starting. Now what you are going to do here? 5 year total of sales, that means we are writing here, that is starting with 51 plus 53 plus 56 plus 57 plus 60, that's equal to next cycle. What is going to come? That is 53 plus 56 plus 57 plus 60 plus 55 equal to Next 5-year total start from 56. That is 1999 we are starting 1999. That is 56 plus 57 plus 60 plus 55 plus 59. See here 1999 to 2003. Okay, therefore middle year, which is the middle year 2001, we have written directly. Now here, starting from 57 plus 60 plus 55 plus 59 plus 62. Next, start from 60 plus 55 plus 59 plus 62 plus 68. The last 55 starting, that means from 2002 to 2006, 59 plus 62 plus 68, the last one 70. Now calculate this addition, that is the sum of these 5 values. You are going to get it 277, 281, 287, 293, 304, and last one 314. That means these are the values, that is 5-year total for this question, that is year, and that is given in sales. Now what is the next column? That is moving averages. For moving averages, first 2 lines, that is the third row, it is going to be blank. That is direct to 1997 and 1998. Now from where we are calculating 1999. Now here it is 5-year moving average. What we did it for 3-year moving average, we divided by 3 the average, right? Now here we are going to divide by 5 because we are added for 5 values, right? 5 years sales, that is 277 divided by 5, the answer, that is 55.4. Next one 281 by 5, that is 56.2. 287 divided by 5, that is 57.4. The next 293 divided by 5, that is 58.6. Next 60, that is 30. 1 second. 304 divided by 5, that is 60.8. Next 314 divided by 5, the answer 62.8. That means here you have completed the table for calculating 5 yearly moving average for that given question. Now this is the way you are completing. That means you are going to create 2 extra column. One is 5 yearly total and the last one the moving average. Only here you have to be careful while writing the values of 5 yearly total, where it is going to start from the third year, because first 5 years we are cycling. That means this is your cycle actually. Therefore in the middle year you are going to start. Then once you start, automatically you can write the next line like that way. Therefore see here in this table, first 2 columns are going to be empty, first 2 rows are going to be empty, and last 2 lines are going to be empty. Therefore these are the moving average for the question. It is given from 1997 to 2006. Now the same thing, you can plot this moving averages and the production values, the sales values can be plotted on the graph paper. I will show you how do you do it. See here how you are going to plot the sales and the moving averages. Okay, now here like the 3 years moving average, we are going to plot the same way. In the x-axis we are going to write your years, that years starting from 1997 to 2006 I already marked, and here in this y-axis you are going to write, that is sales. Okay, now see here I have utilized only the first quadrant because here all values are positive. Therefore we required only the first quadrant. Therefore I have used the entire graph paper. Once you are going to get the graph paper for the examination, you're going to consider like this way. Okay, don't make it in the middle, then you will get as a very small figure. We used to do it in schools and all like this way, but here use it only this first quadrant. Therefore, see, because all the values are positive, that is the sale and moving averages. Now, see here what you are going to do. First, you are going to market your sale, and this is moving average. See here, I just copied the question answer from your question. That is, three columns we record. First column, second column, that both from the question, and last column we calculated the moving averages, that is the last column, fourth column, moving average. See, in the moving average column, the first two lines blank, right, for 5 yearly, and last two lines also blank. Remaining values I have already written. Now how you are going to plot it? First you are going to plot sales, that is 51, 53, 56, 57. Now see here, 51 to 70. Now I have marked here, I started from 50, 50 to 75. See here, this is actually 0, correct? 0, and here I started from 1997. Remaining numbers, therefore you can just make it, just actually to make it like this is a one line we will put it, and here also, that means it is remaining thing we have just kept it inside. That's why it is starting from 0. So this is both the ways you can do it. 50 to 75, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Last lecture video, please watch it. I clearly explain how you are going to mark it. Here from 0 to 50, 50 to 5, that means 5. Actually from here, the first I'll just show you. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after 4 division, right? Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next 10th division is a bigger line. That means here it is 50 and this is 55. Therefore, in between 50 and 55, 51, 52, 53, 54. Therefore, 51 will come after the first division, and second division is 51. Third, fourth is 52. Sixth is 53. Like that way it will go. Okay. If you are marking from 50 to 60, then only one division. 51, 52. Because 50 to 60, remaining all 8 will come inside. Okay. Therefore, here we have taken 50, 55, 60, 65, like that way. The reason is that you need to get a quite bigger picture. Otherwise, it is going to be a very small. Okay. Now, first we are going to mark here 51. 51 means just 1997, just above 50, two division you are going to mark it. Here 51. I just put a cross there. In graph paper, you can do it very properly, accurately, that one. Here, there is no in between the divisions. Therefore, it is going to be almost the same. I am marking it. 1998, 53. 1998, 53. That means below 55. First, it will come 54. Then just below that, that is 53. Next, 56. That means 1999, 56. Just above 55. One division, second division, it is going to be 56. Next, 57. The same way, 56. One small division. Again, one more division, that is going to be 57. Next, 2001. It is going to be 60. That is in this corner. Next, 2003. It is coming down 50. 2002. 2002, be careful while marking. 2002, this is 55. Now 2003, it is 59. That is just below 60. You are going to mark it 59. Next, 62. 2004, 62. Above 60, first will come 61. That means second division is going to be 61. Then again, fourth division is going to be 62. Next, 68. 2005. Below 70, 69, and then from there on top, 4 division down, that is 50, 68. Okay. Next, last 2006, that is 70. Okay. You have plotted all the points which related to your sale. Now what you are going to do? You need a scale to join these points. Now see, while joining the points, dots, what you are going to do? 97 to 98 dot you have to join. You cannot join it the first and third. Okay. Therefore, be carefully while do it. Therefore, I will show you with the scale how you are going to do it, that one. For me, it is difficult to show you, but very carefully to join with scale. Don't use your hand. It is not a free hand picture. Therefore, from one dot to the another dot while join, it has to be a straight line. Therefore, properly join with a scale only. So this is the way you are going to mark it. Yes, once you finish, you will get the picture like this way. The line which mark here, that is for your sales, that is in lakhs I have marked. This is the original trend. Okay, now we are going to market the moving average. Please make sure you never going to join this line with your hand, free hand. It has to be a straight line. Use the scale and join, and be careful while joining. 2001, 2002, then 2003, 2004, like that way you are going to join. Now what we are going to do next we need to market moving averages. Moving averages, the value starting from 1999, that means it is starting from this point. Okay, and 55.4. Now see, 55.4, that is going to be difficult here. Therefore, you can just round up that values and to calculate. Here, it is below 4, therefore mark it as 55. 56.2, that is 56. And any value which is more than 5, that you can round up. This is going to be 59. This 68, 60.8 can be marked as 61, and 62.8 can be marked as 63. This is the way we are going to mark it. I'll just show you now. Be careful while marking. 1999 starting. 1999, it is 55. I'm just putting, there is a dot. Okay. While marking it, first mark it as a, if it is marking it is a cross, then just marking for the second line, that is dot. Okay, next 2000 you are going to mark it as 56, that means just above 55 there is a marking for 2000. Next it is 57, 57, just above that 56 it is going to come. Next 2002, that is 59, that is just below 60, just below 60. And 2003, that is 61, just above 60, 60, that is. Next, last one, that is 2004, it is 63. 63, that is here. This one I just marked 62, that means just above, that is 63. Now what you are going to do, you need to join this dot, but don't use it as a darker line. Use it with a scale with a dot line, because here I am using the hand, but you should use it as a scale and draw it with dotted line. That means you need two different line which is showing here. This is dotted line. The darker line is your original trend, and you need to write here. And dotted line which is marked the line, that is your moving average. That means here we have taken 5 years as a cycle, and you have marked here the moving average, and your, see, this is your figure it is going to come. Now see, this is the way you are going to draw the 5-year moving average, that is on the graph paper. I'll just show you, this is the way you have to construct it. I'll show you the figure. It looks like this way. Now see here, it is very clearly, it is marked. That means your darker line, that is the original time series or original trend, and your dotted line, that is your moving averages. Now be careful, this is 1999 is started and 2004 it ended. That's the reason why I told you while constructing that table, you want to be careful while writing. The first 2 years it is going to be blank, and last 2 years it's going to be blank. Even moving averages also first and second and last two. That's the reason why here starting from 1999 to 2004. Otherwise, if you start from 1997, it is going to be wrong. Therefore, this is the way you can represent your 5-year moving average, that is on the graph paper. Now we will learn how to construct the 4-yearly moving average. That is an even number. We'll consider 4-yearly moving average. The same way, the steps I will explain while doing the sum. Just read the question. The question it is, calculate 4-yearly moving average of the from the following data. It is given 1998 to 2007. That is sales. That is in thousand. It is given. Okay. Now here we are going to construct the table. But see here, for 3-yearly and 5-yearly moving averages, we have constructed 4-column table. But in 4-yearly moving average, we are going to construct 5 columns table. Therefore, what are the 5 columns? First, we will introduce that. That is, third column is 4-yearly total. Now, next column, that is your extra column here, that is centered total. And last one, moving average. first two column, that is a question. Therefore, please listen. For 4 yearly moving average, we are going to construct the table that is consist of 5 columns. That is 4 yearly total, centered total, and moving average. Now see here, I will suggest you to write this information such a way that, see, for you are normally doing with a line notebook. What you are going to do, after each and every year, just leave one blank space. That means 1998 to here, that is 2000. What I have done, see here, first I have not given the gap, but after 1999 I started giving a gap after each and every line. That is, after 1999 I just put a blank line, after 2000 a blank. This is going to be easier for you to calculate and write in the proper format. If here you are making any mistake, automatically in the table as well as the graph is going to be wrong. Therefore, please make sure 4 yearly moving average, this is the easiest method for you. Just leave one line in between all the years. If you are not leaving first and the last, second last, it is okay. But in the after second, you are going to leave that line. Now see here, I have copied 1998 to 2007 and the corresponding sales, that is in 1000. Now here, what you are going to consider, 4 yearly total. 4 yearly total means you are going to consider 4 years, right? That is 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001. Now see, where we are going to start writing that 4 yearly total. It is the middle, but here it is an even number 4. There is no middle value. That's why I just asked you to leave this line. What you are going to do, see here, 1998, 1999, next year 2001, sorry, 2000 and 2001. There is a middle year which is blank, right? What you are going to do, in this line, you are going to write the total 60 plus 69 plus 81 plus 86. And first two, it is going to be blank. Now, automatically, what is going to happen? The next 4 years, starting from 1999 to 2002, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002. What is the middle? Middle, there is a blank line. You are going to write here in this line. Then it is going to be, everything is going to be in proper order. That means you are starting from 69 plus 81 plus 86 plus 78. We will calculate later. First, we will write down. And next, automatically where it comes here. Now it is going to be easy for you. That means 2000, 2001, after that a gap, that is the middle line. 2002, 2003. Therefore, here we are going to write the total, that is 81 plus 86 plus 78 plus 93. Now continue for the next blank line, that is here, that is 86 plus 78 plus 93 plus 102. Now next blank line, what is going to be? 78 plus 93 plus 102 plus 107. Next blank line, it is going to be 93 plus 102 plus 107 plus 100. 100. Okay. Now next blank, last blank column, blank row, what you are going to write? 102. Starting from 102 plus 107 plus 100 plus 109. See here, here you started with 60 and next line is started with 69, then one is addition. Like that way it is going to come. Now just add the values. Now see here, it is very clearly written. All the blank row, you have completed that 4 yearly total. Now you are going to calculate the total, that is, here it is going to come 296, next 314, 338, next 3. Use your calculator, simple calculator, and calculate. 380, 402 and 418. Now last 2 years, that is going to be blank. Therefore here we have completed the third column, that is 4 yearly total. Now same like your 3 yearly and 5 yearly, we are means 3 yearly 3 years we are total, and for 5 yearly we calculated for 5 years. But here 4 years we calculated, but only the difference is that you are going to write in the middle. Now see, if you are not going to leave this line, you need to write somewhere in middle. It is going to be more confused, and this is going to be a clear picture. You will get it then where it is locating. That is, after the second year, third line is a blank. There you are going to write. For all blank line you fill now. Now what you are going to do it? you are going to do the centered total. For centered total, you are going to club these two, first and second. Okay, that means here you are clubbing here and you are writing in this line. That means this is corresponding to 2000. Automatically it will come for 2000. That means here 296 plus 314. Okay, these two values we are going to add. These two totals we are adding. 296 plus 314, that is equal to. Where it come next? Next is 314 plus 338. That will come against your 2001. That is 314 plus 338. Next will come here. That is 338 plus 356. Next 2003 against 356 plus 380. Next 380 plus 402. The last one that will come to the directly to corresponding 2005, that is 402 plus 418. Now we will calculate with the calculator this addition. That means we added the centered total. That means here 4 values we added 296. That value added with the next 4 values, that is 314. Therefore total is going to come 610. 652, that is 652, 697, 739, 782 and 820. Okay, now is it clear? That means we have calculated the centered total with 2. These two values center we have written. Therefore automatically it comes against 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. That means first 2 years here also blank. Next also you can put it blank. Last 2 years corresponding values are blank. Now what we are going to do? The same way what we did for 3-year moving average we divided by 3, 5-year moving average we divided by 5, but 4-year moving average we are going to divide by 8. What's the reason? Because average, no, the average 620, 610 we are dividing. 610 divided by 8. How this 8 came? See here, this 610 we added with 1, 2, 3, 4. 296 is 4 values. 314 is also 4 values. 4 plus 4, 8. That means we are dividing by 8. Therefore, remember it, while doing 4 yearly moving average, we are going to divide by 4, not by, no, sorry, divide by 8, not by 4. This is very important. Okay, that means last year 652 divided by 8. Therefore, here the value, that is 76.25, 81.5. Next 697 divided by 8, that is 87.125. Next 739 divided by 8, you are going to get it 92.375. Here you can round it also or otherwise write it, that is also okay, fine. 782, but for the calculator, for representing in the graph you need only one digit. Okay, after the decimal 8, that is 97.75. The last value, that is 820 divided by 8 will come 102.5. That means from here 98 to 2007 you got the moving average from the years from where, that is 2000 to 2005. Here that values are going to come from here 2000 to 2005. First 2 years the values are going to be blank. Last 2 years the values are going to be blank, because we are clubbing the 4 years, because the moving average we are going to take it, the trend average for each and every 4 year it is calculating. That means for the trend they are just identifying with the 4 years, first 4 years, next 4 years, how the graph is going, how the trend is moving. Okay, therefore this is a way you are going to construct the table for 4 yearly moving average. Therefore difference from the odd years 3 and 5, it is here one more column is extra. Which column is extra? That is your centered total. And here I am suggesting you, after each and every year you just leave one blank column, then it is going to be easy for you to fill the third column, that is 4 yearly total, because 4 yearly total will come in this blank space, or otherwise we can say that it is in between second and third year. And next will come for that same way, that next always the if you are considering the 4-year set, the second value and third value in between you need to write 4-year total. If you better leave one line, then if there is a space for you to write, then you are going to calculate the center total. Automatically it will come against your starting from your third year. Then you just complete it by dividing by 8. This is also to be remembered, not by 4. 4 yearly, not divided by 4. It is divided by 8. This is a way you can construct the 4 yearly moving average method. Now we'll see how we are going to plot that same data in a graph paper. See the data I have copied here. The same like as your 5-year, we record first column, second column, and last column. Last column here, that is a fifth column. Okay. Third and fourth we don't record. The moving average we record, that is starting from 2000 to 2005. Remaining, this is your original data it is given. Now see here, in this x-axis, that is your year, and y-axis I have represented by the sales. Okay, starting from 0, and here you can make it, this is officially normally make it, there is a gap here between 0 and 60. Okay, because we are starting from 90, like this way. See, 0 starting, and the line it is, we just put it like this way. Okay, remaining values are in between, that is the meaning. Okay, now 62, here it is record 62 109. I have marked 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 like this way. Now same way how we did it for 5 yearly moving average, the same way we are going to construct for 4 yearly also. Here there is no difference. First 1998 you are marking 60, 60, and 1999 69 just below your 70. Okay, and 2081 just above 80. Okay, and 2001 86, that is above 85. Students, I'm suggesting you to take a graph paper and practice it, because normally for the examination the graph also will come. Therefore you have to do it and to get a practice for how to do it in the graph paper, and that then only it is going to be accurate also. 2002, that is 78, that is 78. Here 86 we marked, and now it is 78. That will come down, therefore be very careful. 2002 it is coming down to 78, that is below 80, that is here marked. And next 2003 it's going up, that is 93, that is above 90, and below that is 95. Now here 2004 it is going up 102, that is above your 100, 1 and 2. And here 2005 again going up, that is 107 here. But 2006 is coming down the sales, that is for 100. You can mark it as 100. And then 2007 again going up to here 2009, that is 2010 below, that is here 9. Okay, here see, if I'm marking it, it's not going to be properly accurate, but I'm showing you how you are going to do it. Okay, yes, here I have completed this figure, that is using the scale, join the dot, and be careful while joining by year, by 2000, then 2001, 2002 is coming down. Okay, because from 86 it came down 98. The same way if it is increasing, then again came down to 100 here. That means going top to 2005 and coming, and it is decreases to 100, then again going up, that is 109. Therefore this is the original trend that is in sale, which is showing. Okay, original time series. Now we are going to mark it moving average. For moving average, we are starting from 2000 value. That means we are starting from here. I'll use another color. You just make it point that you are going to mark it with some dot or something. Starting one, the line, if you are going to put a cross, and next one put a dot. 2000. Here what is coming? 76. Here the same way like your 5-year moving average, we round up the figure. 76 you can use it 76, because 0.2 is not possible. And here 81.5 changed to 82 because it is 5. 87.1 rounded to 87. Here it is 92. Here it is 98. And last one is 103. That means here 2000 it is started with 76. 2000, that is starting from 76, 75 here. Therefore here 76. Next is 82. Please watch the video for the basic concept of time series and the moving averages. You will get a better understanding for how you are going to plot the graph, and also for 3-yearly moving average. And please like and share the video. Have completed the marking for the moving averages. Now what you are going to do, use the scale and join this one with a dotted line. Okay, here, because I'm doing with the hand, it is not going to be properly the straight line. Therefore for you it has to be a straight line with just join dotted, and this dotted line which represent the moving averages. Therefore here first market side, this is your original trend. Okay, and dotted line which represent your moving average trend. That is for 4-yearly. Therefore this is the way the figure it is going to be. Therefore neatly to draw and use it here the maximum, like don't make it a very short. That means if you're going to take 60, 70, 80, then it is going to be very small. But always make sure that means that graph paper, because you will get a A4 size paper for the examination. Therefore use the entire page for clear, means making this figure, then that is going to be a better presentation. Now I'll show you that how it is going to look normally. That means here it is very clearly written here the original, that is original. See the two places it came down, this place and this place, and see the moving average with the dotted. Now it has to be a straight line with the scale. Use the scale and join the dot. This is the way you can represent the 4-yearly, 5-yearly, 3-yearly moving averages, that is on the graph paper. Therefore students, please watch the video properly and practice it. Practice with the graph paper. Here I showed you how you are going to construct the four-yearly and 5-yearly moving average with a tabular format and also with a graphical representation. Now students, we will meet in the next video. I'll bring a new topic, the estimation of seasonal index. That is also a very important topic for time series. Please like and share the video and also give a constructive comments. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.